Looking for the perfect way to enjoy iced tea or cold brew at home? Our 2025 roundup of the best iced tea machines covers top picks for speed, flavor, and convenience, from compact brewers to family-sized systems, so you can sip refreshing, cafe-style drinks anytime without the wait. Number 1. Homecraft Electric Iced Tea Maker Review. If you love iced tea or cold brew coffee but hate waiting around, the Homecraft Electric Iced Tea Maker might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. With its slim, compact design and modern black finish, it easily fits into small spaces without sacrificing performance. This machine brews up to 2 quarts of your favorite iced drinks in under 10 minutes. The steeping basket holds tea bags, loose leaves, or coffee grounds, giving you plenty of options for brewing. The double insulated pitcher keeps your drinks cold longer, while the automatic shut-off ensures worry-free operation. Pros: brews fast, under 10 minutes. Compact, space-saving design. Double insulated 2-quart pitcher. Flexible brewing with a steeping basket. Auto shut-off for convenience. Cons: only 2-quart capacity. No temperature control. Limited to iced beverages. If you want cafe-style iced drinks at home without the hassle, this maker delivers. Refreshing, easy, and reliable, perfect for everyday use. Number 2. Brentwood KT2150BK Iced Tea and Coffee Maker. If you love refreshing iced drinks at home, the Brentwood KT2150BK Iced Tea and Coffee Maker is a game changer. With its sleek black design and compact build, it fits easily on any countertop while delivering big results. The included 64-ounce pitcher brews up to 8 servings, making it perfect for family breakfasts, brunch gatherings, or just keeping yourself stocked with chilled drinks all day. Operation is simple: just fill the reservoir, add your favorite tea or coffee to the reusable filter basket, and choose your desired strength with the selector dial. In just minutes, you'll have a perfectly chilled beverage without the watered-down taste of iced over hot coffee. Plus, the automatic shut-off adds peace of mind, and the reusable filter helps save money and reduce waste. Pros: brews 8 servings quickly. Reusable filter saves money. Adjustable drink strength. Automatic shut-off. Cons: plastic construction. Works best with proper grind size. For iced tea and coffee lovers, this machine offers convenience, flavor, and great value. Number 3. Nostalgia 3-quart Iced Tea and Coffee Brewing System. The Nostalgia 3-quart Iced Tea and Coffee Brewing System is a versatile kitchen companion that lets you brew cafe-style iced drinks right at home. From iced coffee and lattes to refreshing iced tea, lemonade, and even flavored water, this machine makes it all simple and delicious. Its 3-quart pitcher holds up to 12 cups, making it perfect for family use or entertaining guests. The strength selector dial allows you to customize flavor intensity, while the infuser chamber lets you add citrus, herbs, or sweeteners for a personalized twist. With a removable filter basket that works with ground coffee, tea bags, or loose leaf teas, you'll enjoy smooth, flavorful drinks every time. The double insulated pitcher also keeps your beverages cold for hours. Pros: multi-purpose brewing options. Large 3-quart capacity. Strength selector and infuser chamber. Auto shut-off and easy one-button operation. Cons: plastic pitcher may feel less premium. Slightly bulky for smaller kitchens. A fantastic choice for iced drink lovers who want convenience, flavor, and variety in one sleek system. Number 4. Wirsch Iced Tea and Coffee Maker. I recently tried the Wirsch Iced Tea and Coffee Maker, and it has quickly become my go-to appliance for refreshing cold drinks at home. With a 3-quart glass pitcher, I can brew up to 12 cups of iced coffee, tea, or lemonade at once, making it perfect for family gatherings or hot summer days. The strength control dial allows me to adjust the flavor from mild to strong, giving me a perfectly customized cup every time. I also love the eco-friendly reusable filter, which works with loose leaf tea, tea bags, or ground coffee, saving money and reducing waste. Cleanup is easy since both the pitcher and filter are dishwasher safe. Plus, the BPA-free, high-temperature resistant glass gives me peace of mind. Pros: large capacity, customizable strength, reusable filter, easy cleanup, safe materials, strong warranty. Cons: glass pitcher can be fragile, takes up counter space, 120V only. Overall, the Wirsch iced tea and coffee maker is a convenient, eco-friendly way to enjoy cold drinks at home with ease. Number 5, West Bend Iced Coffee and Tea Maker. If you love iced beverages, the West Bend Iced Coffee and Tea Maker is a game changer for your kitchen. With its 2.75 quart glass pitcher, you can brew enough coffee or tea to serve the whole family, and the brew-through lid makes storage simple. The adjustable brew strength selector ensures your drink is always just how you like it, whether strong or mild. One standout feature is the infusion tube, allowing you to add fruits or herbs for a unique, refreshing flavor. The removable mesh filter makes cleaning effortless, and it works perfectly with both bagged and loose tea. Automatic shut-off and built-in drip tray add convenience for everyday use. Pros: flavor customization, easy to clean, adjustable strength, versatile for coffee and tea. Cons: plastic exterior, slightly small for larger gatherings. Overall, this West Bend maker is perfect for anyone who enjoys customizable iced beverages at home. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.